Hey, if you don't already know me, my name is AB, and today I'm going to be sharing something with you that I think is very, very essential. It's something that everybody should have. If you don't already have one of these, you're doing it all wrong. One thing that I've noticed that has helped me to be able to accomplish a lot of things that I want in life, one thing that keeps me motivated and keeps me on track is my vision board. I know you probably have heard about vision boards before. I like to call mine personally my motivation board because every morning when I look up and see it, I'm automatically inspired. For those of you who don't know what a vision board is, I can explain it to you as best as I can. A vision board is a powerful technique. I might even call it essential into attracting the things you want into your life. It's key to visualization. If you believe in the law of attraction or you've had experience with it, visualization is essential. You have to visualize the things you want. You have goals that you have set. You have to visualize that. And this vision board is going to help you to accomplish it. So you put images, words, phrases, things of that sort onto the board, and it's a constant reminder every day of what your goals are. When you wake up in the morning, if you have it somewhere visible, you can see it. And I don't know, it's like some of the things that I put onto my board have already happened. My boyfriend even has one. I know you see two vision boards up in the background behind me. My boyfriend has one too, and some of the things he put on his are already happening now. So I do want to share with you how to make one if you're interested. But before I do that, let me show you guys what my vision board looks like, and maybe you get a better picture of what I'm saying. I don't know if I'm explaining it properly. It's hard for me to find the right words. So I'm just going to show you my vision board, and this will probably help you understand it a little better. This is my vision board. It isn't complete. It still has a few gaps that I need to fill in, but let me show you what I have so far. On your vision board, you want to include graphics and words and images that remind you of the things that you want in life. So for example, YouTube. When I look at this, I'm thinking about how I want my channel to be. I want it to be positive, uplifting, somewhat entertaining, and I want it to grow. So I have YouTube on my vision board as a reminder. I wake up in the morning, if I'm not feeling up to recording or filming a video, I look at my vision board, and that right there reminds me YouTube is part of something you need to do. So I vlog. I do what I have to do because I'm reminded every day. Okay, just another example. I have some of them coincide on my board. It's really up to you. I have a bag right here, luggage, genuine leather, and I also have a photo of a couple with rings or whatever because this symbolizes that I would like to travel. I got a couple in the airport, good vibes only. This is something I have to look at every day because not every day I wake up in a perfect mood or feeling positive, but when I see this on my vision board, it reminds me good vibes only. So this is the vision board overall. I'm going to go over most of it with you. I have a photo of the Instagram icon because I do want to grow my Instagram page because I feel like it would be a very beneficial business tool. So if you hadn't already added me on Instagram, do that right now. This makeup is Anastasia Beverly Hills glow kit because I want to get more into makeup because as you guys can see, my makeup's pretty basic. So the center, well, this is actually the center, but at the very top of my board, I put life goals. I really believe in the power of visualization, having faith, and then working your off. So basically, I found this quote very powerful. I forget who said it, but this is my life goals. Well, part of them, at least for this year. This photographer because I want to take photos, and I'm a vlogger, so it kind of symbolizes me. I have this beautiful dining room set because, like I said, I want to have a nice house. Freedom in the sand because I want to have freedom. I want to be financially free. I want to be able to do what I want to do when I want, and it's a beach. Okay, so I have the Grand Canyon. This handsome athlete because he has a perfect body, he's very attractive, and he's exactly how I can picture my spouse being and looking. Here I put better booty, and I have a picture of this lady like working out or whatever, because I do want to get into the gym, and I want to have a better body. I put beauty and this classy lady because I'm trying to change my style up. I'm about to be 24 this year, and I want to be classy like her. She looks very beautiful. I have a picture of a dog because I will have a little poodle one day, or some type of cute lap dog. Money, 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 money. Had to put that on my vision board. I got this picture of this couple holding their passport because I do want to travel abroad. On Boss because I do plan to be an entrepreneur. And I have this Amazon because it's something I'm looking into investing in. I love New York hat because I do want to go to New York. Up here I have change. Change is essential, change is necessary, and change is good. Gotta be willing to do that. I found this quote that said dollars and cents because I want to have money and cents, and I just thought it was kind of cute. Stack of books because I'm going to be reading books more. You should check out E's video on the books that she's reading right now. She has some very good recommendation. I have a picture of the Memphis Zoo because I love animals, even though I'm terrified of them. I have the word feminine. I have school spirit, even though I'm not in school right now. I do want to go back and get my degree. I only have a year left. I have this picture of this beautiful girl. She's also right here too. Just noticed that. She has a beautiful head of hair, and that's my goals. This couple traveling because I want to travel with my loved one. Found my purpose, doing work from home. That's my dream. This girl, she looks like a diva, so I just put her up there for, confidence. Motivate, I want to motivate and inspire others. Hopefully you'll make a vision board after watching this. Relaxation is key, and a beautiful mind. So that's pretty much everything on my vision board. I just have to fill in a few places. I'm not going to add too much. I think it's fine the way it is. Yeah, so this is my vision board. A lot of these things are in motion, and I know I'm able to accomplish anything I put my mind to. Creating a vision board will inspire you. It will. You seeing these images, knowing that you can easily obtain it. All you have to do is believe. When you believe something is possible, it's possible. And that belief is going to cause you to do certain actions that will lead to it. So in time, all of these things are going to come true. It's my vision board for this year, 2018. It could stay the same next year. I might start over. But I know I'm going to accomplish all of those things on that board. And this will be proof. This is the before. So you guys will see when it's actually going on too. I'll bring you along the way. You only need 4 things. You need to have a poster board, some sort of canvas to post your pictures to. You're going to need the images. You can print these images out. You can cut them out of magazines that you aren't really using anymore. Those are just some options that you can do. Cut out pictures of things you would like to do, people who inspire you, places you would like to visit. Get all of those images. You're also going to need scissors, obviously, to cut out the images, and then glue, tape, or tags, however you want to attach the images to your board. And that's all you need. It's very simple. And something so small can honestly change and create such a large impact on you. Another important tip about your vision board is going to be location. You want to make sure you post your vision board in a high traffic area, somewhere that you see it a lot. I personally have my vision board across from my bed, so when I wake up in the morning, it's the first thing I see. A lot of people can be kind of embarrassed and not really want people to see what's on their vision board because it can be sort of personal. So I like to keep my vision board in my bedroom because it's private and not many people are gonna be in here. But you can put it anywhere, in your kitchen, in your hallway, in your bathroom, just as long as it's somewhere visible that you can see it and instantly get inspired. Now, you don't want to make your vision board and post it up and that's it. You have to look at it every day. I found that what works best for me is as soon as I wake up and I do the things I have to do, I make sure I devote a little bit of time into stopping and just looking at my vision board. You want to look at it and you want to connect with it. Each image on there, take a few seconds to actually look at it and visualize yourself already in that state. If I had, like, for example, part of my vision board said better booty, so I would be like, I have a very nice butt. Or, own boss. Like, I am my own boss. And just saying that and visualizing that, it makes you feel good and it inspires you to do the steps necessary, because you have to take action. You do the vision board all day, but if you don't actually use it and don't let it inspire you, it's really just a waste of time, honestly. Last but not least, you cannot have doubt. When you are choosing the pictures and the words, don't have doubts about it. Like, okay, I put vegan on there. I love meat, I love all of that stuff. And a part of me was scared at first, like, this is a big commitment. But guess what? I did it anyway. I put vegan on there. So it's going to help me to make healthier choices. So don't be doubtful. You know you can do it. If other people can do it, I can too. So I always say, do not have doubt. You can't have doubt. Look at this stuff and say you can do it. And it will motivate you and inspire you. I hope I did an okay job explaining this. I'm new to YouTube. I'm trying. This is something that really works. This is something that I truly believe that is helpful. It's something that has helped me on my bad day. I just wanted to share this with you and let you guys in on something that means a lot to me, and I think it could definitely help you out too. Thank you so much for watching and learning a little bit about me and what I want, and taking the time out to learn about vision boards and see mine. I hope it inspired you guys in some way to get out there and create your own vision board. It does not take long. I think for supplies, I probably only spent no more than $5, and that's just on scissors, glue, tape, and the poster board. I bought that off for like $1 at Dollar Tree, and it didn't even cost me anything to print out these images. I found old magazines at home and I printed some out at my local library, no charge. So it's very possible, it's cheap to do, and it will make a big impact. So if you have a vision board, or if maybe you can explain it better, put it in the comments for me. And if you watched this video this far, you are amazing. You are a trooper, and I really, really, really appreciate you so much. So thank you, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.